Why do you have your horse and trailer hooked up?
You said it was branding day.
We're gonna brand Doug's airplane. All right, that's what we're doing today, Carrie.
What kind of airplanes Doug have? Doug's plane, it's not a parachute plane, is it?
We're not putting a Fat Tire Cowboy decal on a parachute plane.
Our logo is on Gloina's plane. It's a parachute plane.
I don't know. You think about it, the Red Bull thing worked out pretty good. A plane come down on a parachute.
Got a lot of attention.
It's all about the clicks. What kind of plane does Doug have?
Got a Frankenstein airplane.
The hell's a Frankenstein plane?
I think it's a Cessna and a Cub.
Bred a Shih Tzu and a Bulldog. Close the bullshit.
All right, bud, let's get buckled in good and tight. Last time I flew with Carrie, you wrecked the thing, so let's be sure to get strapped in tight. So we don't want to... Just chill, I'm joking, man. Just chuckle. Yeah, take a joke. How are you, buddy?
Good. How are you, bub?
I'm awesome.
That's a good one. I had to ask him what it is. I don't know what it is.
It's an airplane.
It is an airplane. What kind of airplane? You said Frankenplane. That's probably offending.
I'm gonna say that still fits.
Those guys were worried that it was a parachute plane, but I said there's no way,
Seriously?
no way Doug would fly parachute planes. Called this a Frankenplane.
Cessna
What is it?
Cub. No, it's a Cessna Cub. It's not the same. We'll go up to the house and have a beer.
Right, so
But don't tell Clint that built it because he calls it a Badlands Traveler.